Hi friends, welcome to DM classes. In last session we have learned some definitions of basic concept in geometry. Now today we will start practice set 1.2. Practice set 1.2 question number first. The following tables on point on a number line and their coordinates. Decide whether the pair of segments given below the table are congruent or not. Point A, B, C, D and E with coordinate -3, 5, 2, -7 and 9 respectively. Practice set 1.2. Question number first. Point, coordinate. A, B, C, D, E. -3, 5, 2, -7 and 9. First, segment DE and segment AB. Solution. Coordinate of the point D is -7 and coordinate of the point E is 9. 9 is greater than -7. Since 9 is greater than -7, therefore distance of D equal to 9 minus -7 equal to 9 minus plus 7. Therefore distance of DE equal to 9 plus 7 equal to 16. It is also denoted by length of segment DE equal to 16. It is denoted by first equation. Coordinate of the point A is -3 and coordinate of the point B is 5. Since 5 is greater than -3, therefore distance of AB equal to 5 minus -3 equal to 5 minus plus 3. Therefore distance of AB equal to 5 plus 3 equal to 8. It is also denoted by length of segment AB equal to 8 is denoted by second equation. Therefore length of segment AB are not congruent to segment DE. Therefore segment AB and segment DE are not congruent. Second, segment BC and segment AD. Solution. Coordinate of the point B is 5 and coordinate of the point C is 2. 5 is greater than 2. Since 5 is greater than 2, therefore distance of BC equal to 5 minus 2 equal to 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Therefore distance of BC equal to 3. It is also denoted by length of segment BC equal to 3 is denoted by first equation. Coordinate of the point A is minus 3 and coordinate of the point D is minus 7. Since minus 3 is greater than minus 7, minus 3 is greater than minus 7, therefore distance of AD equal to minus 3 minus minus 7 equal to minus 3 minus minus plus 7. Distance of AD equal to minus 3 plus 7 equal to 4. It is also denoted by length of segment AD equal to 4 is denoted by second equation. From equation first and second, length of segment BC are not congruent length of segment AD. Therefore, segment BC and segment AD are not congruent. Question number second. Point M is the midpoint of segment AB. Point M is the midpoint of segment AB if AB equal to 8, then find the length of AM. Solution. Point M is the midpoint of segment AB and length of segment AB equal to 8. It is given. According to the question, M is the midpoint of segment AB. Therefore, length of AM equal to half of length of segment AB. Reason: M is midpoint of segment AB. Length of segment AM equal to half into length of segment AB equal to 8. Therefore 1 by 2 into 8. 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8 equal to length of segment AM equal to 4. Answer. Question number 4. If AB equal to 5 centimeter, BP equal to 2 centimeter and AP equal to 3.4 centimeter. Compare the segment. Solution. Given length of segment AB equal to 5 centimeter, length of segment BP equal to 2 centimeter and length of segment AP equal to 3.4 centimeter. Length of AP equal to 2 is less than 3.4. 3.4 is less than 5. Since 3.4 is greater than 2 and less than 5. Therefore, 2 equal to length of segment BP, 3.4 equal to length of segment AP, 5 equal to length of segment AB. That is segment BP, segment AP and segment AB. Therefore, segment AP is greater than segment BP and less than segment AB. Question number 5. Write the answer of the following question with reference to figure. First, write the name of opposite ray of ray RP. Second, write the intersection set of ray PQ and ray RP. Third, write the union set of segment PQ and segment QR. Fourth, state the ray of which segment QR is a subset. Fifth, write the pair of opposite ray with common end point R. Sixth, write any two rays with common end point S. 7. Write the intersection set of ray ST and ray SP. Question number 5. R, P, Q, S and T. First, answer. First, write the name of the opposite ray of ray RP. The opposite ray of ray RP are RS and RT. Ray RS and ray RT. Second, write the intersection set of ray PQ and ray RP. The intersection set of ray PQ and ray RP is point P. Third, write the union set of ray PQ and ray QR. The union set of ray PQ and QR line QR. Fourth, state the rays of which segment QR is a subset. Segment QR is a subset of ray QR, ray QS, ray QT, and ray RQ, ray SQ, and ray TQ. Fifth, write the pair of opposite ray with common endpoint R. Ray RP and RS is opposite of RP. That means ray RP and ray RS same as RQ and ray RT. Ray RQ and ray RT. Sixth, write any two rays with common endpoint S, means SR and ST. Ray SR and ray ST. Seventh, write the intersection set of ray SP and ray ST, means point S. Intersection point is S. Thank you. If you like the video, please press the bell icon.